Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Champaign County, northwestern Clark County, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near St. Paris, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Urbana, St. Paris, Christiansburg, Northampton, Tremont City, Mutual, Thackeray, Westville, Powhatan, Terre Haute, Nemours Field, Lawrenceville, and Dialton. This includes Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 52 and 55. You're listening